Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the first half of the English alphabet is written in reverse order, then find the 17th letter from the right. Now, first half of the alphabet means 13 alphabets. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. These 13 alphabets will be written in reverse order. That means instead of writing A over here, I'll write A over here. So that will be A, B, C, D, E and so on. Now 17th letter from the right will be, now there are 13 alphabets over here. So after 13, this one will be 14th from right, this one will be 15th, 16th and 17th. So 17th alphabet from the right will be D. So answer is option C.